Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload images in Claude AI. If you want to share a photo with Claude so it can help you analyze, describe, or work with that image, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. Claude can help you with many different image-related tasks, such as explaining what's inside a picture, reading text from an image, reviewing designs, understanding screenshots, or helping you get more information from visual content. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. First, go to the prompt field in Claude, which is the area where you normally type your message. At the bottom left of that prompt field, you'll see a plus icon. This is the button you'll use whenever you want to attach something in addition to text. Go ahead and click that plus icon to open the attachment options. Once you click it, a small menu will appear. In that menu, select the option that says Add Files or Photos. This tells Claude that you want to upload something from your device. If you're using a computer, this will usually open your file browser. If you're on a phone or tablet, it may open your photo library, Files app, or give you a choice depending on your device settings. The exact option may look slightly different depending on whether you're using Claude through a browser, desktop app, or mobile device. But the process is usually very similar. Next, browse through your device and find the photo you want to upload to Claude. Take your time here and make sure you choose the correct image, especially if you have several similar files saved. For example, if you have multiple screenshots, product photos, or documents with similar names, selecting the correct file will help Claude provide the right analysis. Once you select the image, your device will begin attaching it to the chat. After the upload is complete, the image should appear in the conversation area or near the prompt field, depending on the version of Claude you're using. At that point, your photo has been successfully added and it's ready to be used in your conversation. That's all there is to it. As a quick tip, if you want better results from Claude after uploading an image, try adding a clear message along with it. For example, you can ask Claude to describe the image, summarize what's shown, extract text, or help you understand something specific in the picture. You can also provide additional instructions, such as asking Claude to compare details, explain a chart, suggest improvements, or identify important information from the image. Being clear about what you want will usually give you a more useful response. Instead of only uploading an image and saying, "Analyze this," you can ask a specific question like, "Summarize the key points in this image," or "Explain the screenshot step by step." Also, before uploading, make sure the image is easy to read and not too blurry, especially if you want Claude to look at text or details inside the photo. A clearer image will help the AI respond more accurately. Good image quality is especially important when you are uploading documents, screenshots, or images that contain small text, because unclear visuals can make it harder for Claude to understand the information correctly. And that's how to upload images in Claude AI. Once you've done it once, it becomes a very quick and easy part of your workflow. You can use this feature whenever you need help understanding visual information, working with images, or getting faster insights from your files.